مرحبا يا أصدقائي، معنا اليوم قصة جديدة ومختلفة لأنها ستكون باللغة الإنجليزية كي نقوي معا لغتنا الإنجليزية، ومن ثم سوف أنزلها باللغة العربية. ما رأيكم؟ هي قصة العصفور الصغير The Little Bird.
Good morning, Mom. Mom, I'm hungry.
Good morning, dear. Go and find some worms.
Where can I find worms?
In the fields.
Can you come with me?
No, you can't go alone.
I'm hungry. I want to eat worms. Worms, where are you? Worms, where are you? I hear a worm. I smell a worm. I'm hungry. What is that, Mother?
It's a hungry bird.
What does he want?
He wants to eat us.
Oh, Mother, help me. I'm scared.
Don't get scared, little boy. I know what to do. What do you want, little bird?
I'm hungry. I'm looking for some worms.
What? The worms here are big, ugly, and strong. They eat birds.
I'm sorry. I'm looking for small worms.
There are no small worms here. We are all big and strong. We like to eat little birds.
Oh no, thank you. Goodbye.
Stupid bird. We are worms. Ha ha ha. The end. شكرا لكم يا أصدقاء.